Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today is my first video using my new channel name, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am. We've got our weekly stamping collab, and this week's host was Nerdy Creations. These are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. I already applied one coat of this gorgeous OPI nail polish called Manicure For Beads, and now I'll apply the second coat. I chose this beautiful stamping plate from la Cosedora from the Make-A-Wish collection. This one is called Hidden Garden. And I'll also be using Purple Rain from la Cosedora, a purple stamping polish. Since the theme was to keep it simple or minimalist, I thought this one was going to be very easy, and it started off pretty good. I picked up the simple design and stamped it onto the first nail. The second one went just as smoothly. But when I got to the last one, that's when things got a little bit tricky. I noticed that the image wasn't as bold as the other two, so I decided it would be a good idea to just pick up the image one more time and stamp right over it. Unfortunately, I didn't align it properly, so it came out a little bit too bold. Oops. I tried removing the image with a little bit of acetone, but it didn't work out, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit more polish over it and stamp one more time. While I'm waiting for that nail to dry, I'll apply this Born Pretty No Smudge top coat on the stamped images. Let's try stamping one more time. That looks much better. To complete my manicure, I'll apply my Hansen matte top coat. Here's the completed design. I think it's funny that even though today's manicure is supposed to be simple, a simple stamping can sometimes get complicated, but that's the way it is, and it's a lot of fun even though sometimes things don't come out perfectly. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my content, and click the thumbs up button to let me know you did. I appreciate the support.